Welcome to the Forgotten Vault, where we share amazing stories from history. Today, we will talk about a truly rare event, the Maha Kumbh Mela, happening in 2025. Did you know the Kumbh Mela is divided into 4 types? The Purna Kumbh Mela happens every 12 years at 4 sacred sites: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nashik, and Ujjain. The Ardh Kumbh Mela occurs every 6 years at Prayagraj and Haridwar. The Kumbh Mela is held every 3 years, rotating among the 4 locations. And the rarest of all is the Maha Kumbh Mela, celebrated only once every 144 years, during the 12th cycle of the Purna Kumbh Mela. In 2025, the Maha Kumbh Mela will take place in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, from January 13th to February 26th. Millions of pilgrims will gather to take a holy dip at the confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna, and the hidden Saraswati rivers. It is believed this ritual washes away sins, brings peace, and moves one closer to liberation. The festival's origins come from the ancient story of the gods and demons fighting over Amrit, the nectar of immortality. Drops of this nectar fell to earth at 4 places, now the sites of the Kumbh Mela. The Maha Kumbh Mela is more than a festival. It's a spiritual journey, a moment in history, uniting millions in faith and devotion. Thank you for watching The Forgotten Vault, where we bring you stories that deserve to be remembered. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of history.